Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick video. This week's Quick Pick stock is Booking Holdings. Now, this is an update of a quick pick that I did about a month ago. What's happened in the interim is Delta Airlines. Delta came out on April 13th, announced its first quarter earnings, and earnings were slightly better than expected, as in they lost $1.23 as opposed to $1.27 a share. But what they really said is, hey, we think we're going to be profitable in the second quarter. We're seeing a huge surge in summer traffic, summer bookings. When I first picked Booking Holdings, I said, hey, this is a great summer stock, but it's also a great recession stock. They're the largest operator of online travel booking sites. They're an agency, I guess you can call them. If this indeed going to be a good time for summer travel, but inflation and the economy is making people a little worried that a lot more people looking for bargains, and therefore this would be a good stock to do. Delta's earnings were a sort of validation of the summer travel boom thesis. And you can see that in the prospective earnings forecasts for Booking. You can see that this is a very, very volatile stock, and it's been volatile on the hopes that we're going to get this summer uptick. We've gone down recently because of saying, well, when is it coming? When is it coming? I think it's starting to come. And I think you can see that reflected here. One thing about Bookings is that it's a per share, very, very expensive stock. These days, when you can buy partial shares, that's not a big obstacle. It also suggests that one of the things a lot of companies have been doing right now, a lot of high-priced stocks have been splitting. This is an interesting split candidate. I don't know that it's going to happen. I've heard no rumors that it's going to happen, but that would be a little extra. So here's the big earnings swing that I think Delta validated. Remember, Delta showed a loss still for the first quarter and said, hey, we're going to show a profit for the second quarter. What Wall Street is looking for from Bookings, and Bookings announces its first quarter earnings on May 4th. For that quarter, Wall Street is saying, hey, we're going to see a 98 cents a share loss. And you go, 98 cents a share loss? Why would I want to buy this? Well, two things. One is it's much better than the $5.26 loss the company showed a year ago in the first quarter of 2021. But if you then go out a couple of quarters, this is where the delta is important as a validation. Second quarter, the company's not only going to swing to profit, but it's going to swing to a $19.46 a share profit, according to Wall Street forecasts. And then in the September quarter, it's going to swing to $46 a share in profit. If you think of it, Booking is sort of like gets the airline trends without the jet fuel costs. We get a big surge. The earnings here are very, very, very leveraged to volume. Okay, so that would be a stock that I would add. I'm going to add it to my jubakpicks portfolio in the next couple of days, and then it'll be there and we can track it all together. So if you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe. That way you get more notification of when we do more videos. We're doing about 3 a week. If you want to follow this stock or any other in my jubakpicks portfolio, my jubakpicks.com free website has 3 portfolios. You can find a link to that down below. Also, my subscription site, jubakam.com, has 6 portfolios. And again, a link to that down below. Thanks for watching.